Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your address on Amazon. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Amazon. So once you open Amazon app, you simply need to log in into your account and click on profile in the bottom. Here you need to click on your account and scroll down. Here you need to click on manage address book. Click on add a new address. So here you can add different address and click on add address, and now you can use this address as well, and if you want you can make this as your default address. So this is the process by which you can change your address on Amazon. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.